it's Jen from Polk County Public Libraries, and I'm going to tell you about this month's Teen Craft Take-A-Make. So, we are making mini Japanese-style herbariums. This is one I think is really cool, and I hope you guys enjoy. So stop by Columbus or Saluda Library to pick up your free kit and follow along to get started on how to put it together. Okay, so you can see my completed herbarium. So let's see what's in your bag and how you are going to put yours together. So there's a piece of ribbon that's already cut for you. There's a plastic container of dried flowers and herbs. There is a Ziploc bag of baby oil. It's in the Ziploc bag because that tends to leak, as you can see, so this might be a kind of messy project. There is a little funnel. There's your little glass jar with the cork lid, and there's also a hook. So the hook might be in the bottom of your bag, or it might be in your jar. And I can't find my hook. Let me grab one. So your little hook will look like that. So find that in your bag, or like I said, it might be inside the glass jar. All right, so the first thing you're going to do is take the cork off of your jar, and you're going to put your dried flowers inside. If the flower is a little too big, you might need to use your finger or a pencil or tweezers or something to push it down in there. Once the flowers have filled up your jar, you're going to put your oil in. So you're going to use your funnel. Like I said, you're going to very delicately pour the oil from the bag and the plastic container through the funnel into your jar. If for some reason you don't have enough oil, you could put a tiny bit of water to fill it up, or I think it's okay not totally full, like mine there. All right, after the flowers and oil are in your herbarium, you're going to replace that cork, and this step is very important. You want to seal it because, like I said, this oil is very messy. It can stain your clothes, so we don't want it to start leaking. So if your parents or another adult, or you have a hot glue gun, I would recommend using that. As you can see here, I sealed mine with the hot glue gun just around the cork. Nothing can come out of that, so sealing that's pretty important. After you seal it, the next step is optional. So if you like, you can add your hook and ribbon. That can make your herbarium into a necklace or something you can hang on your wall. So if you want to do that, you'll just twist your hook into the top of the cork and tie the ribbon through if you want to wear it as a necklace or hang it. If not, you have your mini Japanese style herbarium to display however you like. I hope you guys have fun.